Hey, this is Therese Skelly, and I want to talk to you today about one technique that's super helpful to handle the anxiety that comes along with selling your services. Because here's the deal. Sometimes it's not easy, right? A lot of people have kind of mental blocks, or they might get anxious. They might want to feel like, I don't want to be bothered, or I don't want to be pushy. And what I know is if you use what's called EFT, if you use EFT, it can literally calm your physiology down. There are times when we can just say a positive affirmation or visualize yourself differently, right? But if you have enough anxiety where it's like in your body, in your cells, a really fast and easy way to just kind of like release it from your energy field and your physiology is the use of EFT. And so there's EFT can be used for everything in the world. If you just go to YouTube, EFT for anxiety, fear, weight loss, like whatever it is, EFT is like prolific. And so I want to just give you this specific to handling the selling piece of it. Okay. So imagine you're going to be rolling out a high offer, right? You're super excited. You're going to have this conversation in front of you, but how do you feel? So what I want you to do is I'm going to show you how to do EFT. And in this little product, you're going to have a diagram. So EFT has been around for years and years and years, and it literally is just designed to release the stored energy in your system. So it involves tapping on yourself, and I'm going to show you the parts, but it's important that you know where to tap. And again, you're going to, in this product, you'll have a diagram. So the first point is going to be on the inside of the eye, the outside of the eye, underneath the eye on the socket here, underneath the nose, underneath the chin, on your collarbone, kind of in the bra area right here, on your rib point here, and maybe sometimes I tap the fingers, sometimes I tap the top of the head. So I'm going to do some rounds. So what I want you to do, first I want you to start and say, all right, what things bother me? Right. So imagine you're gonna have a selling conversation with like the perfect client, and you want to charge as much as you can. It's like, get really real. So the first part of this, part one, you do a brain dump and you just write down like, okay, so I'm just gonna make stuff up. Maybe my fee is too high. Maybe they're not gonna be able to afford it. Maybe they're gonna think I'm a fraud. I wonder if I can really deliver this stuff. Will they get mad if this is such a high price? Will they doubt my value? So you want to just take and say, what are the blocks? Like, so write all that down first. Okay. Okay. Now when you do EFT, you do what's called a setup phase. Okay. So you want to take, even though I feel blank, I still completely love and accept myself. Okay. So you're going to want to go, you find on your left side, right above so there's this bone, right under here, about an inch down and to the left, there is what's called the lymph spot. And what you want to do is you want to just put your fingers there, and you're just going to kind of circle it, right? Just kind of like dig it around a little bit. And so you're going to say 3 different setup phrases. What's kind of cool with EFT, you can't get it wrong. You really can't get wrong, okay? But the setup phrases is just to kind of start the thing. So again, you can use any of yours, but you can use mine as well, okay? Even though I feel anxious that I'm about to have a selling conversation, I fully and completely love and accept myself. And it doesn't have to be the same one. I like to change them up. Even though it really pisses me off because I should be more confident, I fully and completely love and accept myself. Even though I hate having all this anxiety because I've been doing this for so long and I can't stand that I have this anxiety, I fully and completely love and accept myself. Okay. So what I did is I put in all the feelings basically that I had, and then I tagged it with, and I fully and completely love and accept myself. I think that's a really important part because that helps release everything. Okay. So we got your setup phrase, right? And don't censor it. If you swear, be okay to swear. If you want to be sassy, like I just want to get everything out. Okay. So before we start, so think about the situation. Think about you're you're going to have this selling conversation and the stakes are high. Like, this would be the perfect client. You absolutely want this so, so, so badly. And here you are going to have to sell on a scale of 1 to 10. This is called the distress scale. A scale of 1 to 10. How much distress are you in? 10 is like, I'm freaking out. Like, right? 1 is, I'm totally fine. So first note where you are, because we're going to do a baseline before and after. Okay. All right. You ready? So I'm just going to do 1 round of tapping, and you can do it with me. If the words aren't exactly right, make up your own. You don't have to get it right. That's the thing. Okay. So, I'm so sick of this. I'm so frustrated that I can't sell. Drives me nuts that I'm having trouble selling. I feel like a freaking fraud. I really hate this. I don't know what to do anymore. I work so hard. I try so hard. Nothing seems to be working with this. I'm kind of scared because I need to start selling. I wish I could feel better in selling. I hate having these conversations. I don't like to feel pushy. What if they think I'm bothering them? What if I think I'm too much? What if they don't like me? What if they reject me? What's going on? I wish I could change this. I wish I could change this. Okay, again, just different orders. Basically, everything that I said in the beginning, I kind of weave that in. You'll notice I'll use 2 different hands. Doesn't matter. Tapping you just a few times. Just okay. Now the second round, so that was, we tapped the problem statements, the emotional pieces of it. Now we're going to tap in the desire. Okay. I wish I could do this better. I really want to believe in myself. I would love to feel confident. I wonder if it's possible to feel confident. I wish I knew how to do this better, but I bet I can figure it out. I'm actually really good at what I do. I know I help people. I help people a lot. I really help people a lot. I've got a great gift. I really am here for people. Why can't I do this? I'm going to choose to do this, right? I'm going to let go of my anxiety. I'm going to feel confident. I know I can do it. I deserve to do this because I help a lot of people. It's my time to do it. I'm excited to do it. I'm going to start doing this. Okay, rub your hands together. You might already feel your physiology be a little bit different right now, right? And so now, check your distress level on a scale of 1 to 10. Where are you feeling, right? So let's say you were a 7 before and now you're down to a 3. That's pretty good, but let's get you even better, right? So you go, okay, what's the little thing? Well, I haven't been in the business long enough. Like, there's a little story. Then you just go, even though I haven't been in the business long enough, I fully and completely love and accept myself. Even though I don't feel I have enough experience, I fully and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm kind of new in the business, I fully and completely love and accept myself. You say, have been in the business. Haven't been in the business. I'm inexperienced. I don't have enough time in this. See what I mean? You say the problem, the pain statements. You do one around with that. Then you say, but it doesn't matter. Maybe it doesn't matter how long I've been in. You know what? I'm pretty good. I've got some gifts. I help people. Like, you can actually do that as well. All right. I hope this helps. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and look forward to more cool stuff. All righty. Peace and blessings. Bye.